Bling It Out. Whitewash It. Kids will love this because after applying foam stickers they can just paint the whole pumpkin. When it's dry, just remove the stickers to reveal the decoration. Monogram It. Put your own personal stamp on your pumpkin by monogramming it using furniture nails, a Sharpie, glitter, tacks, vinyl paper, or rhinestones. Just print out a stencil of your letter or trace it on yourself. If you're brave, you could also just cut it out of vinyl sheets like Mom for Real did. Add lace. Dip it in glitter. Use chalkboard paint and chalk. All you need is some chalkboard paint and chalk to create this real simple look. Spray paint it. This idea will require a little parent supervision and a face mask. Pick any color, but for a more sophisticated look, try a gold or silver metallic. You can also use tape to block off the areas you don't want painted in order to create fun patterns. Stuff it in some fishnet stockings. Wrap it with ribbons. Turn it into an owl. It's super easy to turn your pumpkins into owls. Just paint 2 pumpkins white and then accessorize. Make Ombre spiderwebs. Make it into a mummy. Create a whole family of mummies with googly eyes, a hot glue gun, and gauze. Make a bat silhouette. Paint it with glow in the dark paint. Wrap some glow in the dark paint to make pumpkins that really shine on Halloween night. Glue on some autumn leaves. Fall into pumpkin decorating by cutting out leaf patterns on red, orange, and yellow tissue paper. Next, all you have to do is brush them on with decoupage glue. Source Good Housekeeping. Draw some Sharpie designs.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.